and we just video. And it's one please no pay. I've been waiting. I like more than checks. Whatever you wanna see. Ba't ulit pwede mana ka? Abang kasi din eh. Ahona na mtu anaitwa Mangala. Watu watu under prepared. Nani tena ngas? Oh, I'm good. I am. Tuwe mko jene. Urmi. Mama the camera. Udah bisa nggak butuh nari. Baba was born as a Roberta Carabad. Why complain? I was says or zero puma. Hey, what's breakfast? Mashudu for 1 hour. Everyone is on their point trying to get a picture of them. Camera. Camera is up. The camera. When my mother went to the hospital, she was like, good day wherever you are. So today we tried something different. I'm at the Anza. I ordered pork chops and fried rice. I wanted, hope you can hear me. I'm trying not to be too loud. I will post the plate, but yeah. Let me see. This is what my plate looks like. I'm already started eating. I forgot about filming. I am having it with a virgin mojito. I'm driving. So the pork chops are nice, like easy to slice through. Also, don't judge me. Fork and knife is not my thing. So if you see me struggling, if you see the rice falling, mind your business.
If you see me struggling, just when I'm trying my best, I ain't
gonna be the chicken. Yeah, baby. You're ready. Hey, why you go bang on? Where are you? Hey, baby. You're bang on the chicken. You have the one the low chicken. You have the Maralbon. It's a small airport to Casco. You didn't try any and we're on Congo when you said I have a berry busy. The chicken here was there, them in the gun. What was with them?
No, I find my hand.
No, you're Malaysia.
Malaka, which is a barbecue. In barbecue.
The fried rice. Yep. This is how I wanted my egg fried rice to taste like. It just didn't. So you will never see clips of me making it. Yep. The chefs, they know what they're doing.
Red done, not well done.
It's too pink, ne? Iko to ba maloto ngapango. Daba kuzari. Ya Mashudu right. Ndiba kuzari umise. Mbavhalelo uyarodza chicken.
Es un carquetelio.
I'm going to show you my sister's plate. The chicken is underdone.
Misachanda.
Hey.
This is second meal.
Hey. Nedu ko to jira ri ka kan chewe.
First and the second meal way. Vamos off 10.
Yeah, remember na chikuwa more often. Zawana mianga yo kukoda wona chikuwa cho improve. Odo thomo chambesa kana odo thomo chivalesa.
Kuto chinta teacher.
Oh, I to improve. Still too hard. Mfano ngasi chini ngana ngajana ngasi pesa.
Mental.
Kibasi. Kuna ndela.
Oko mulera space.
Oh, I kote ndo che.
Makugajila na money the space short.
Dili papa mara kando ndolera ngo.
Sino, oko mulera space.
Ikorila ni sana. Ndo fora, ndo uko zibona tumbi yanga chafobezea. Kaifobezea.
This is like
I'm eating the chicken now.
The tumbi and go pack. And this is two. Ngara ning feed.
Oh, the whole of it duanga time. Thank you. Koba bandu mendimla maya. Kana ruba lo. I think I fed the chicken and do the lango ko dane.
And the inner is tasting. When don't you go hey. You wanna masarela hey. So boy the way yeah, you might want to go out rice again.
Mwana wa Mbavhalelo chikolo no.
Rice at colony, you can never beat it. Never. Always the best. Nothing to collect normal.
Oh, mano. This was a fence. They have go some mutu wana zulu awori mano.
Abo usala no. Abo uzoreni. Ndio kama best index best for normal. When but jene in your mind. Always sala.
Mental barrier.
What chicken ja? Mano like ungar nduro uthoma ungar unyubone so.
Enokumbula nyumbona. Enokumbula nyumbona.
Ungar uthoma so. Le mano o chifta. Le langa velinga lo gomera nta. Le ndi chicken ja so. Ndikenja lima chicken man.
Kana mukoko zanya. Lenye ngore kuba disere bile ne ba ba na ndo kadila. Eno kadila na myo.
Okay na mama.
Okay na mama.
I grew up with a sister who always bought me food. So, find the swim.
It's a lemon.
You know, no banana something in between those two. You're going to bread. but ningacha bamaro for the first few days